open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Well, hello everybody and welcome to another video. I have a whole stack of BoxyCharm. Actually, there's just 4 because December is the month of Premium and BOXY LUXE. So I did not get my base box. I have my Lady Lori profile and I also have the Beauty Over 50, which is the Alter Egos profile. So there's 2 boxes of each. I've also got my Ipsies, and depending on how the bags go, they will either be a comparison and keep the boxes or the bags in the same video, or I will record them each individually. Nonetheless, let's get to unboxing. And no, I do not have my contacts in, so I'm going to have to be using my spectacles. All right, this is the first box. Let's see who this is. This box right here is for Lady Lori, so she's up first. Let's see what we got here. Did I go through the box? Yes, when they first came. I think they came on the 5th or the 6th, something like that. When I posted on Instagram, it'll tell you, it said, hey, I got all my stuff. Everything came. I mean, just everything. So you do get a card in your box. This is the upgrade to the base box. All the prices will be on the screen. Don't worry about it. As well as the final price up there in the top. It is, what is it to you? If you're looking at it, it's on the top right corner. To me, it's the left. The theme for December is Winter Luxe. Now, on the back of the card, you do get a list of all the products that are going to be inside your box. There is a the retail price as well as a brief description. And then down at the bottom, right-hand corner, you get your variation number. And for this box right here, it's 403, because there's a lot of people that want to know, did I weigh this box? No, I did not. Now, in this box here, I believe you get, let's see if it's Luxe, I believe it's 3 choices. Your base box, you get 1 choice. Your premium, you get 2 choices. So I do believe in Luxe, you get 3. If I said that incorrectly, somebody please let us know down below. Okay, so let's get rid of the packing. The first awesome item on the list is by Ofra, and this is the On the Glow. Another one of those glow setters, you know, where they have everything in one palette. This one's On the Glow highlighting and bronzing palette, comes in at $149. I mean, these prices are getting crazy, you guys. It's an On the Glow Pro palette. It says glow like you mean it, the ultimate tool for creating a bronze glow. This stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones, whether you are a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety. This palette is all you need for a glam that shines AM to PM. I'm an enthusiast, but I'm not. I'm like more of a makeup addict. It's got a pretty, it has a nice magnetic open and, you know, the closure. It's got a bunch of magnets right here. It does have a decent mirror on it. It has a cover. This is what you're looking at right here. Pardon the glare right now. I'm going to take that cover off just a sec. It says glow like you mean it. And then hopefully I can get this cover off here. Each of these pods does come out. You'll see right here there is like a little notch. Ofra has that. A lot of other companies have it as well, but Ofra has that in a lot of her palettes. And that's why, in case you want to custom your own, or you want to order another one, they are refillable. These are those beautiful colors. Remember, this is a highlighter and bronzing On the Glow. So this one right here almost looks like a sailboat, and then it has like ocean stuff like that, you know what I mean? But on the cover here, it tells us what they are. So I'm going to go ahead and see what we got here. This one here up on the top is Blissful Highlighter. This one here is Egyptian Clay Bronzer. This one over here is Americano Bronzer. This one here with the 3 is the California Dream Triangle. This is the Beverly Hills highlighter, and this is the Rodeo Drive highlighter. So So those are all 6 bronzing and highlighters in this palette at $149. So that's a high price ticket item in this box for me. Did I pick it? I don't know. I always put that on the screen because I look at it later when I'm during editing. Our next item is by Viseart. It's the Seamless Setting Powder, and this one comes in at $35. And I also wonder, you know, not this one, not this product specifically, but I forget sometimes if I'm the one that customized by picking colors or shades or whatever. I don't remember half the time. But not these past 2 products, that's not what I'm talking about. So here's the Viseart. It is kind of like a middle of the road plastic container. Looks almost, it is very finely milled. You can tell by looking at the style of powder. And this says Viseart's ultra fine. See, I knew it. Ultra fine flashback proof translucent setting powder creates a soft matte finish and works on all complexions. Again, this one's $35. At least this one's a little bit more in somebody's price range. This is a big one right here, and this is by Kate Berkey. It's a vitamin C intense face cream in Essential Radiance, and this one right here comes in at $116. It's $116. It's crazy. I'm sorry, but these prices are crazy. This here, and I kind of knew it just looking at it, is a new brand to Boxy. It's like everything's starting with a 1. 100 and something. It is frosted glass, very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. Don't worry, in editing I'll go ahead and do a close-up. It's got that frosted glass. Ooh, it's whippy. Very whippy. It reminds me of, and I don't have all my skincare up on that second shelf anymore, but it kind of reminds me of that whipped, was it Sunday or Saturday Skin? Was that real? Oh man, it's gonna drive me crazy now trying to think of what it was. But it was that real whippy moisturizer that I really did like. I ended up with a couple of bottles of it, so I was pretty happy. I think I ended up with 3 bottles. I got one in a box, and then I got a duplicate in my other profile, and then come pop-ups, I went ahead and bought some more because I liked it. I liked it so much that I don't have it available to me to look at, to reference to. That's okay. And then the next one is by Aceology. This is the Detoxifying Treatment Mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. It says, let's FaceTime. This one here comes in at $69. If this is like a face mask that we can do on Mask Monday, Alter Ego, Miss Sassy Pants, she's going to love it. And it's got that, it's a tube kind of almost like hair dye, you know, when you squirt the hair dye into the bottle. That's what it reminds me of. It's got that aluminum tube fill, and it's sealed up, so we're not gonna open it up. Next on the list is by LaRousse. These got to be brushes. These have to be brushes. This is the Christine set at $50. And it says the Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, a medium doomed blending brush, and a graphite petite rainy cup. So this is that real pretty, this container, this, you know, to store it in. I do like how they do their containers. So on this side you have your clean brushes, and then when you're done using them you stick them in here and they're dirty, or you just, you know, fill as many of them up as you want. So you know, help you out with space on your vanity. They are beautiful, beautiful, almost like a blue. I'm going to show you in just a sec. Look at this pretty color. It's very pretty, a smoky blue. And then you have this one right here. This is a shade brush, is it? Usually I can tell. It's a shadow brush. And then you have your duo fiber. They've all got that same handle, very nicely built. This is the angled brush. Very pretty with that ombre effect. Then you have these two right here. All right, so you can see like that. And this one here is your concealer. You can just tell by the shape. And this one here is your tapered blending. You can always tell by the shape. Next by Pharmacy, which now I have two. This is the Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Serum with honey and prickly pear. Say that 3 times, right? This is for the shower. A body hydrating and resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps with AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth with a lit from within glow. $40. My deepest apologies. This is after the shower. I think I have the one. It looks just like this. It's in the cupboard. I'm not going to get up and go get it. But I could have sworn it was, and the only reason why it ever makes it to that specific cupboard is because it goes in the shower. It's like a body wash. But I think it's this one right here. I think it's the Honeymoon Glow Body Scrub. I'm now that it's piqued my curiosity, I'm going to check it when I'm done with this video. Okay, next we have by Pure. And this one here is fully charged. The fully charged mascara powered by magnetic technology. It comes in at $22 and it is by Pure. Opposites attract at this age, or with this age define vegan pure fully charged mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix. Powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. That's got to be the longest run-on sentence I've ever read. I just was like, just every word was joining the next one. But anyhow, I don't want to open this because I have like 4 tubes of mascara open already. So, and this one does come in, that is black. Last one is by Persona. I will not open this package. The reason for that is this is going in a giveaway. I can't see me keeping it. I'm not a big eyeliner person, and the types of eyeliners that I do use, this is not it. Persona Cosmetics, a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that intensifies your eyes with this creamy 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. It glides on smooth for all day to all night wear. Featuring a smooth, blendable formula, this 24-hour waterproof eyeliner is ideal for both the lash line and the waterline. Comes in at $14. Now, the reason I say that is because it feels like it's going to be a pencil. It doesn't say that it's liquid. And you're going to see in just a minute when I open the other box why this is going to end up in a giveaway. All right, that's everything for the Lady Lori box. My total came out to $495, right there, $495. You heard it right. So for me, the big ticket item that I really like a lot is this one right here. This is the For Cosmetics On The Glow Pro palette. It's the highlighter and bronzing palette. That to me is my favorite. And again, you know, at $495 for a value that we paid, I believe, $59, yeah, because the price went up, so now it's $59.99 for this box right here. You know what, you guys, that is not that bad. So if you'll stick around for just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and grab this second box, which is shaped very different. And we're going to open that one up too. But these are probably all going to be separate videos. Unless I do a comparison, I'll check before I open the box. The premium actually might go side by side. I don't know. We'll see. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of time with me. If you see me in the same outfit, that's because I'm going to, you know, it's when you're all made up and know where to go, you get the recorder out. Take care, happy holidays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.